Hey everybody, this is Nick. I wanted to jump on and show you how you can create your own fundraiser in YouTube. So you can set in YouTube Studio, you can set up a fundraiser from the revenue generation of the ads on your videos if you meet a certain threshold. So you have to have 10,000 subscribers and you have to be part of the YouTube Partner Program, which we've talked about before in other videos. But if you're over here on your YouTube Studio, if your YouTube Studio tab here, this is kind of where you see all the behind the scenes analytics for your videos. This is my dashboard right here. That's where you'll be taken to once you go to your YouTube Studio. Go down here to the Earn tab and you'll see if you have all this stuff activated there in your own YouTube Studio. So this is where all the different ways that YouTube has that you can generate revenue from your channels. But once you reach that 10,000 subscriber mark, you'll see this Giving tab pop up. When you click on that Giving tab, this is where you can add your fundraiser. So when you add the fundraiser, all you need to do is click on Add. You can create your own fundraiser or join a fundraiser. Right now, I'm doing a fundraiser for the Trevor Project, a great organization that does research and has resources for suicide prevention among LGBTQ youth. And I think it's a really important cause and an important organization to support, especially during this Pride Month. So I wanted to do that. And if you want to join me in my fundraiser, you can click on Join a Fundraiser. Just go ahead and search for Trevor Project right up here. All of the different Trevor Project fundraisers will show, but you will scroll through and look for my little face in that orange bubble there, and I hope that you'll join me. That would be really cool. Or you can go ahead and just create your own. So just click on Create Your Own, and when you create your own, I'm going to show you the fundraiser that I have going right now. When you create your own, you're going to see this tab pop up. You have to go ahead and type in your organization. Your organization will pop up there. You'll type in a title, a subtitle. You can choose the fundraiser image, so I'm just selecting the Trevor Project logo right here. You'll click on Continue. You'll add a little bit more text for the details, a thank you message. You can set it so that only my channel, only your channel can do this fundraiser, or any channel can join you. And I'm going to set it to any channel can join me because I want you out there to join me if you'd like to. You can click on Continue. This is where you can set the goal and you can set a start and end date for your fundraiser, or you can make it an ongoing fundraiser that you'll just click that button down there. And finally, this is where you add the videos. So now all of my videos, I have access to all my videos here. You just have to select that little checkbox there, and you can see as I select that, all of those videos are getting added to the right-hand navigation pane right there. I have about 9 videos in this playlist, and they're all about how to use color in PowerPoint and Excel, including a really fun Google Sheets tip where you just type in PRIDE across the top cells, and the entire sheet turns to rainbow colors. So a pretty cool little trick right there that not a lot of people know about, and some really fun Google developer decided they would do that, so I appreciate that always. So you'll click on Save, and then you'll have your fundraiser enabled. Now, when your fundraiser is enabled here on that Earn tab, you'll be able to see the amount you've raised right here. And here's what it looks like on any video that you have associated with a fundraiser. You'll get this little fundraiser sticker right there, so you know that the video that you're watching is part of a fundraiser on YouTube. And then up here in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see where the fundraiser is going to, so which organization this fundraiser is a part of. So you can see right here the Trevor Project. If you wanted to do a one-time donation, you could also even do that right there as well, instead of just the views. So I think setting up these fundraisers is a pretty fun way to sort of create community, contribute back to organizations and nonprofits of your choice. I did want to share with you, I looked a little bit at the YouTube Giving FAQs over here just to see who is eligible. Again, you have to have 10,000 subscribers and be part of the YouTube Partner Program. I wanted to see where the funds actually go. So it looks like Google partners with Network for Good. Those funds are then dispersed to the organization through Network for Good. 100% of that contribution goes to the nonprofit organization of your choice. If you are a nonprofit, you have to make sure that you're obviously a 501c3 registered public charity in order to participate in this, and you also have to be opted into online fundraising. So being able to receive funds online, you need to do. If you don't see your nonprofit when you're creating your fundraiser listed, you can still type one in, and then you can submit that nonprofit to the YouTube Giving Program, and they'll let you know if they can make that or enable that as an option for you and your own fundraiser. So I hope you'll go over and check out my playlist. I will link to it below and above. Go ahead and watch those videos, get a cup of coffee, just let it run in the background, let the ads run too, and we'll see how much money we can raise for the Trevor Project this month of Pride Month in June. If you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell next to it too. You'll get notified every time I post a new video in data design, usually PowerPoint, Excel, or Word. Sometimes these little YouTube videos, YouTube tips and tricks, as I am sort of on my own YouTube creator journey too, and learn along the way. I hope you create that fundraiser. I had a great time making this video for you. I can't wait to see you all next time.